You can start your presentation now.
Good afternoon, sir. The topic of presentation is EVOL technology. Contains introduction, literature survey, working of EVOL, feature of EVOL, conclusion and reference. Introduction. EVOL was designed by Apostol Nokowoski. The EVOL computer is a sphere-shaped computer. This concept PC will measure 160 in diameter. This EVOL computer has taken the computer technology to new horizons. You may have seen many other inventions this kind, but what is unique in it is that when it is closed, no one is able to guess that this ball contains a whole computer inside it. It's not going to be like a PDA, it's going to be a PC with all conventional components like keyboard, mouse, screen. This is a diagram of room size computer and desktop, then laptop, and then smallest PC is e-ball. Literature survey. It is very small. It is having only 6-inch diameter ball. The word computer comes from the word compute, that is to calculate or operate. People usually consider a computer to be a calculating device that can perform arithmetic operations at high rapidity. It is a new concept of personal computer, that is EVOL PC. In this EVOL technology, PC is positioned on two stand opens by pressing and holding the two buttons located on each side of the wall PC. This PC is the latest concept. Working of EVOL. EVOL concept PC don't have any external display unit. It has a button. When you press this button, a projector will pop and it focuses the computer screen on the wall, which can be adjusted with navigation keys. If there is no wall, then it has a paper sheet holder that divides into three pieces, like an umbrella. Just after popping up, and it will show desktop on the paper sheet. Evolve Concept PC has a laser keyboard that is fully concept keyboard that is visible when the PC is in working. The keyboard is not physical, it is respected by laser that appear after you press the respective button. It recognizes your fingers with the help of IR sensor. When you typing at a particular place while the mouse is pop out, wonder making, and this an unique piece of technology. Feature of eVols. It has around 350 to 500 GB of hard disk drive. It contains 2 GB RAM. It has two speakers. It has a LAN card and a webcam. It has a wireless optical mouse and LCD projector and paper holder and keyboard. The, the keyboard is a virtual one, not a physical keyboard, and it is available only when the eVol PC is working mode. Conclusion. Today's technology is at peak point behind what we could ever imagine. Our imagination has dressed into reality, and today it has become possible to have a whole computer in our pocket all the times. This this ball computer has taken the computer technology to new horizon. This is a reference. Thank you.